First European Mindfulness in Organizations Conference here in Utrecht in Fort Voordorp.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jean-François Manzoni. I'm the president of IMD. I have a profound belief, and we at IMD have a profound belief in the importance of mindfulness for leaders in organizations.
Found that leaders need three things. So mindfulness, no surprise, selflessness, and compassion.
In my keynote this morning, I've been talking about teams. So what I discovered is that teams need to develop two core capabilities. They need to be able to sense the mindscape, and they need to be able to care and collaborate together. And both mindfulness and compassion are the tools to create those capabilities.
In my talk here, I was trying to make it clear that I see that mindfulness can be a great help to emotional intelligence.
What I learned today and what I will start to use tomorrow is start with self-compassion over compassion in general, starting with my own perspective and then projecting it out to others. And that's one very important thing I learned.